Greetings, fellow financial adventurers. Welcome to our channel Snap Savings, your fortress of financial wisdom. Today, we delve into the 6 thumb rules for how to make money from gold investment. Rule number 6 is the most important to understand. So stay tuned till end of the video. Join us on this journey to unravel the secrets of making money from gold investment. Rule number 1. The allure of gold, understanding its timeless appeal. To understand how to make money from gold, let's first delve into the allure of this precious metal. In this segment, we'll explore the historical significance of gold, its role as a store of value, and why it continues to captivate investors worldwide. Sarah's historical gold insight. Meet Sarah, who gained insight into the historical value of gold. How did Sarah strategically recognize gold's role as a hedge against economic uncertainties and make informed investment decisions? Stay tuned for Sarah's strategic gold investment insights. How did Sarah strategically recognize gold's historical value? Sarah studied economic trends, observed the resilience of gold during crises, and strategically incorporated gold into her investment portfolio. Over the years, Sarah diligently monitored economic indicators and geopolitical events. Recognizing gold's historical value as a safe haven, she strategically allocated a portion of her portfolio to physical gold. Sarah's astute decision bore fruit when, during periods of economic uncertainty, the value of her gold investments increased, providing a shield against market downturns. Within a span of 5 years, Sarah experienced an impressive return of over 30% on her gold investments, showcasing the strategic impact of historical insights on her financial success. This strategic approach not only protected her wealth but also positioned her for potential financial gains. Rule number 2. Forms of gold investment: diversifying your portfolio. Gold comes in various forms, and understanding your options is crucial. In this segment, we'll explore different forms of gold investment. Starting from physical gold like coins and bars to paper gold through ETFs, allowing you to diversify your portfolio strategically. Michael's diversified gold portfolio. Imagine Michael, the investor with a diversified gold portfolio. How did Michael strategically allocate his investments across physical gold, gold ETFs, and mining stocks? Stay tuned for Michael's strategic gold portfolio insights. Michael assessed his risk tolerance, considered market conditions, and strategically spread his gold investments across different forms to optimize returns. Michael, a savvy investor, recognized the importance of diversification in his portfolio. Strategically spreading his investments across physical gold, gold exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and carefully selected mining stocks, Michael aimed to optimize returns while managing risk. His diversified approach proved successful when, during a period of rising gold prices, the value of his entire gold portfolio surged. Within 3 years, Michael realized a cumulative return of $50,000, showcasing the strategic advantages of a diversified gold investment strategy. This strategic approach not only enhanced his portfolio's stability, but also offered exposure to various facets of the gold market. Rule number 3. Physical gold investment: pros, cons, and strategic considerations. Investing in physical gold has its unique considerations. In this segment, we'll explore the pros and cons of owning physical gold, from coins and bars to jewelry. We'll discuss strategic considerations for investors looking to add a touch of gold to their tangible assets. Olivia's strategic physical gold acquisition. Meet Olivia, who strategically acquired physical gold to diversify her assets. How did Olivia navigate the pros and cons of physical gold ownership and make it an integral part of her investment strategy? Stay tuned for Olivia's strategic physical gold investment insights. Olivia researched reputable dealers, assessed storage options, and strategically acquired physical gold pieces that complemented her overall investment portfolio. Olivia, with a keen eye for tangible assets, strategically incorporated physical gold into her investment strategy. While navigating the pros and cons of ownership, she discovered the benefits of having a portion of her wealth in tangible form. Olivia's strategic acquisition of physical gold, including coins and bars, not only added a layer of security to her portfolio but also became a conversation piece. Over the course of 4 years, the value of her physical gold appreciated by 15%, showcasing the strategic advantages of blending tangible assets with traditional investments. This strategic approach not only added a tangible asset to her wealth but also provided a sense of security. Rule number 4. Paper gold investment: ETFs, futures, and strategic advantages. For those looking for flexibility, paper gold investments such as ETFs and futures offer strategic advantages. In this segment, we'll explore the world of paper gold, discussing its benefits, risks, and how investors can strategically leverage these financial instruments. Jason's advantageous paper gold strategy. Imagine Jason, the investor who strategically leveraged paper gold investments for flexibility. How did Jason navigate the intricacies of gold ETFs and futures, aligning them with his investment goals? How did Jason strategically leverage paper gold investments? Jason diversified his portfolio with gold ETFs, monitored futures markets, and strategically used these financial instruments to capitalize on gold price movements. Jason, seeking flexibility and liquidity, strategically leveraged paper gold investments, including gold ETFs and futures. Recognizing the advantages of these financial instruments, he tactfully timed his entries and exits in the gold market. Jason's strategic use of paper gold allowed him to capitalize on short-term fluctuations, resulting in a cumulative return of $40,000 over a 2-year period. His success exemplifies the strategic benefits of incorporating paper gold into an investment strategy for those seeking agility in the market. This strategic approach not only provided flexibility, but also enhanced his ability to respond to market dynamics. Rule number 5, mining stocks, indirect exposure to gold market dynamics. Mining stocks offer investors an indirect way to participate in the gold market's dynamics. In this segment, we'll explore the advantages and considerations of investing in gold mining stocks, providing strategic insights for those seeking exposure to the gold industry. Emma's strategic mining stock portfolio. Meet Emma, the investor with a strategic mining stock portfolio. How did Emma navigate the complexities of investing in gold mining stocks and strategically incorporate them into her overall investment strategy? How did Emma strategically invest in gold mining stocks? Emma conducted thorough research, diversified her mining stock portfolio, and strategically aligned these investments with her broader financial goals. Emma, with an appetite for industry exposure, strategically ventured into gold mining stocks. Recognizing the potential for growth in the mining sector, she diversified her portfolio with carefully selected mining stocks. Emma's strategic approach involved thorough research, and she strategically timed her entries to coincide with positive industry developments. Over the course of 6 years, Emma's mining stock portfolio experienced a cumulative return of $80,000, highlighting the strategic advantages of selectively investing in the gold mining sector. This strategic approach not only provided exposure to the gold industry, but also positioned her for potential growth in the mining sector. Rule number 6, market timing and gold investment strategies for success. Timing is everything in the world of investment, and gold is no exception. In this segment, we'll explore market timing strategies for gold investment, discussing how investors can strategically seize opportunities and navigate market fluctuations. Ethan's strategic gold market timing. Imagine Ethan, the investor with a keen sense of gold market timing. How did Ethan strategically assess market conditions, seize buying opportunities, and navigate gold price fluctuations? Stay tuned for Ethan's strategic gold market timing insights. Ethan analyzed macroeconomic factors, monitored geopolitical events, and strategically entered the gold market during favorable conditions. Ethan, with a keen sense of market dynamics, strategically timed his entries into the gold market. Analyzing macroeconomic factors and closely monitoring geopolitical events, he tactically entered the market during periods of favorable conditions. Ethan's strategic gold market timing not only allowed him to capitalize on undervalued gold prices, but also resulted in a cumulative return of $60,000 over a 5-year period. His success underscores the importance of strategic market timing in gold investment. This strategic approach not only optimized his buying opportunities, but also positioned him for potential returns in a volatile market.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more profound insights into mastering your financial journey.